Today we're going to be showing you how to create a full width header and some content on a page that you create on our platform. So if you are logged in as an admin, first you need to go out to the dashboard, which is here, and create a new page. So let's click on add new page here. And the first thing that you'll notice here is that you can enter a title. So we'll call this homepage, for instance. After that, you click on the Use Page Builder option here to go to the Page Builder, which is a drag and drop interface, as you can see. So whenever you put an element on a page, no matter what it is, you have to start by choosing whether it is a normal section, a full width section, or a specialty section. In this case, to create a full width header, we're going to click on Add Full Width Section, make sure this other one's gotten rid of, and we're going to click on Insert Module right here. You'll want to select the full width header option right here once it gives you the option to select a module. So you'd click this, and from here we can enter a title. In this case, let's call it Welcome to Your New Page. And with you can additionally, you'll notice there's a whole lot of other options down here: text color, text orientation, which in this case I'd say you'd want to center, and an admin label if you want to call it something different when you come back to edit it later if you want to make changes. There's also options to put in CSS class and CSS ID information if you want to make some kind of changes there. So in this case we called it Welcome to Your New Page, and we can even put some subheading text here like "Isn't it cool?" ? And we'll click Save. Now at this point you're going to wonder, well, where do I put in images, colors, header, etc.? You will need to click on the little hamburger icon up here in the upper left, right here, looks like a hamburger, and you'll see that you can choose to upload your own background image or choose an existing background color. You can also put in background video, but it has to meet certain standards and requirements, and we're not getting into that here. So let's just keep it simple and choose a background color. Let's pick a green. You get the full spectrum here. Let's make kind of a nice, kind of bright green here, and save. Now let's click on Publish, just so we can kind of get an idea of what this looks like. So the page is published. Let's just open a new tab here and take a look. Welcome to your new page. Isn't it cool? Hey, look, it's right here. It just popped up, and it looks awesome, doesn't it? But what if you want to? But this is just the beginning. Obviously, you'd want to add some new content and things like that. So text content, images, etc. So let's go back here to where we were editing the page, and let's add a regular section right here. It's going to be one column. You can do additional columns, obviously, if you have layout, if you're wanting to do different things for layout, but in this case we just need one column. So now let's insert a normal module. There's a lot of different options here, but from my perspective, the best thing if you're trying to combine image and text together into a singular section experience, I would use blurbs. Blurbs are really cool because if you want images and content in one neat package, you can, and it even comes with dozens of pre-made icons in case you don't even want to upload an image. So let's title this Point and Click, and we'll put in just kind of a made-up URL here, www.com, and we'll say we want to use an icon. We're not going to upload an image here. As you can see, you get a lot of different icons that you can select here as an option. Let's scroll down to one of these dark icons. Look, there's a little mouse icon. We'll click that, and we'll scroll down here, and we will choose to make the icon black. And then if you go down all the way here, you can start putting in content, like text content, like a normal text box if you were making a normal WordPress page. So let's say something along the lines of, this is our first page and it looks awesome. We will select it, make it a little bigger, bolder. Let's say heading 3, just to give it a little punch. And we will save that. So now you have your full width header, and now you have a text blurb right beneath it. So let's go over to the hamburger icon up here on the section, and let's set a background color for here too. In this case, let's make it kind of a reddish color. Let's make it red. Brighter the better, and save. Now let's click on update, and once that's finished updating, well, look, it's finished updating. So now let's go over here and refresh to see what it looks like. Well, isn't that awesome? Look, point and click, this is our first page, looks awesome, and you got your header. So voila, your first page with a header and some basic text content beneath it. See how cool this is? And you didn't even need to know any HTML to do it.